Well, hey guys, I promised you a video on this rain catchment system. Mentioned it in a video anyway, so I got it built over here. I'll show you what we got. Hey Diesel. Oh, all right. Well, for starters, I've got about 272 square feet of roof, and with 272 square feet of roof, we had 2 good rains, and I filled this IBC tote, almost 300 gallons. We filled her up. About 2 good rains. So coming off the roof here, real simply, I just have a little downspout going to this leaf eater, and it catches darn near everything. And I go off to the Y. Right here is that first flush system down here, and I've got the red tip in there. We'll open that up. It's been about a month or 2 since I installed it, and I haven't opened it up. So coming off of that, goes over to this T where it goes 3-inch, and this is all 3-inch. Okay, so this is 3-inch. It goes down to 2-inch here. I got a 90. Came into this union fitting here, into the top of this. Now, this tote has these tops on it. These lids will spin off, and they're threaded right here. And so this is just a 2-inch threaded PVC with a stub out inside there, right? And then this union, so that I could screw this on tight, and then put this piece in with the union, so I could always undo this and take this off to open it up. Otherwise, you're just not gonna get that open. So when the tote's full, because I've glued all these fittings, they don't leak, and it flows over down the other spout, which is Diesel's water. So it just comes over here and down the spout and into that water, which it's time to empty it out for him. So I'm gonna do that for you right now, buddy. Get him some water. So on this side of the tote, I've just set it up on cinder blocks there. You can see I got 4 blocks sitting on there. She's leveled off. Warning, contents are under pressure. Oh yeah, good stuff, huh buddy? All right. So I put this green scrubby on the end of there just to keep the bugs from growing up in there. So this first flush system has about 5 feet of 3-inch pipe. Don't ask me exactly how much water that holds, but it holds enough. And again, I haven't taken this tip off of here in a while, so got that there. So let's see how much dirt we've collected. And when this thing fills up, the ball inside here, floats to the top, seals off there, and runs. Then the water goes across. When it's done raining, that water starts to drain off in here. So it kind of self-cleans until the next rain. And it does that because we've got the black tip here, and there's a little red gasket in there that's got a hole in it that lets that water drain out of this tip. See, no water. And that's the debris that's been catching off the roof that doesn't go into the tote. Here's the ball right there. So you would just rinse that out every now and then. That's about 2 months worth of debris. And inside there is the little red rubber gasket that comes with it. There you go, you can see it there. It's got a little hole in it. That lets the water drain off after the rain. So there you have it, ready for the next rain. Alright, well, that's my rainwater collection system. It's full all the time. Hope you enjoyed it.